We in UFO Status Kitchen. Today we making double bacon bagel cheeseburgers. What we got? 4 freshly pressed patties. 2 bagels. Oh, don't forget the bacon. Oh wait, but you need the cheese, but we ain't gonna worry about that till later on. 2 onions. Bet. First thing we're gonna do, season this bad boy up. Black pepper. Sea salt, because who the fuck needs salt? Bet. Oh wait, hold up. Season go your season packets. Bet. Right, we're gonna toss that joint on. Let's get real spruce with it. Yeah, spruce, that's my word. Bam. Okay, throw that out. What you need next? Bacon. Hold up. My mom probably gonna be mad because I'm using the breakfast bacon, but Mom, I love you. Right? We're gonna do it just like this, right? Okay. Oh my God. That bacon look good right there. Hold up. Yeah. Hold up. We're gonna use some more bacon. We need mad bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon. You add the bacon. Gotta add the onions. See, I suck at cutting onions, so we're gonna just get it popping. We don't need them looking all crazy. We just need them good enough to fit on the burgers. I shouldn't be cutting on top of this stove, but my mom gonna kick my ass. But love you, Mom. To the patty. No snap. I'm gonna come sprucely. Add them sprucely. Hold up. I'm an onion fiend. You add them bitches sprucely. That's what you want. Any onions for you? Shut the fuck up. This is UFO Status Kitchen, my man. Oh wait. Add a little black pepper on top of that. Bam. You got the oven set to 375. Bam. Okay. What we gonna do now? Hit the patty on top of the patty. Wait, it might get a little messy, but it don't matter. You put the patty on top of the patty. Bam. Patty on top of the patty. Oh snap. Patty on top of the patty. Bam. Okay, now what we do? You don't need that much oil in the pan because the bacon gonna make its own oil. Pick that bad boy right up. Bam! Oh, I'm a fat nigga, so my burgers don't fit in one pan. Pick the next one up. Bam! Here we go, right here. 2 double bacon cheeseburgers with onion. Oh my God. Oh, wait, hold on, let me turn this oven light on. Got these burgers. Of course they ain't done. I just put them in 5 minutes ago. Let's come back in 20 minutes. But for now, we worry about the condiments. Got the bagel, got mayo, got barbecue sauce, got ketchup, right? I like me a lot of mayo, so I'm gonna slather that on there. You know what I mean? We ain't worrying about it. We ain't worrying about nothing, cause love mayo. Bam. We got mayo on a bagel. Who don't put mayo on a bagel? Shut the fuck up. Bam. Okay. Next. Barbecue sauce. I'm not even gonna pour it through the lid. I'm just let that. Oh, wait, hold up. You just gonna toss that bit. Yeah. Okay. Oh, hold on. Bam. Barbecue sauce. Hold up. Where the cheese at? Only a few slices of cheese, but that's all you need. Oh. Oh man. Oh. Wow. That's really disrespectful. Okay. Well, sometimes you gotta work with what you got. We ain't got that much cheese, so I'm gonna put that on there sprucely. Yes, I said sprucely. Like Bruce Lee. Sprucely together, you know? Hold on. Damn, we gonna put the cheese in. Okay. But we also got. Hold on. Where's the shredded cheese? Oh! Shredded cheese. Put that on there. Sprucely. Bam. That's all you need. Back, UFO Status Kitchen. Come look at these burgers. Sprucely, we gonna open this door. Okay. Whoa, that's smoky. We gonna take these out because they definitely done. Now bring the camera back to me. I'm a fat nigga, so these ain't gonna fill me up. So I had to put the cookie dough in. We gonna throw these boys in, leave them in there for about 5-10 minutes. Now for the burgers. Now they put the burgers on the plate. Be careful how you pick them up because they will break apart. Right? Okay. We got one more burger. Right? Sprucely. That's how you make a double bacon cheeseburger. Now just for y'all, I'm gonna try it because I already know it's good, but I want y'all to see my face when I eat it. You know what I mean? So here we go.